Hi, I'm Catherine Carpenter-Fortin, the TCM for the NTT account.
Hi, I'm Nozomi Sugimori. I'm a learning CSM for GCP clients in APAC. So NTT is the largest telecommunication company in Japan, and NTT Learning System is our strategic partner, distributing 38,000 LinkedIn learning licenses to 16 of NTT Group companies in Japan domestic. I'm starting with a quick overview of the issues that NTT encountered. It started with a single issue of the admins not being able to send invitation to more than 2,000 users, which unveiled several additional related issues, turning this into an extremely complex issue with the 14 entering tickets at the end. While it took over 40 days to uncover the root cause, it interrupted the customer's activation plan for 6,000 users and put the reliability of service in jeopardy. It became a huge risk at the time.
These issues were related to multiple invites could not be resent to over 2,000 users in the new people management interface. And there were three different options in the user management screen to send these invites, making it confusing for the admin. Plus, the invites number sent in the confirmation pop-up was incorrect. And when using the custom template option, the default invite was being sent instead. Lastly, not all the invitations were making it to the end users. We had daily meetings with Nozomi, Manami, the strategic support on the account, the GCD, and other senior managers, aligning the priority and progress of each case, customer sentiment, responsibility, and strategizing the customer communication and timing. While Nozomi Strategic Support GCD handled the customer-facing communication, I worked with Listia, the TCM, and the engineering team to troubleshoot and test issues as needed to help them get to remediation.
As a result, they renewed a contract with us in the end of March. NTT has over 900 group companies globally, and now we are starting to reach out to some of the new group companies through NTT Learning System for new opportunities. Also, they're becoming our official listed partner in Japan. It enabled them to sell our product to enterprise customers, not limited to NTT groups. In terms of the customer impact, Kathleen collated all of the ongoing issues and captured those critical information such as the current status, the next step, and estimated resolution day as a part of the project management. We gained much more visibility over those complicated cases, and it enabled me to communicate to the customer of what's happening now and what's next. Also, by having Catherine consolidating the customer input and directly communicate it with the engineering team for us, the risk of miscommunication was much reduced, which was initially a challenge because the information was passing through several teams in the middle. Lastly, our strategic support, Manami, and I communicated to Catherine clearly what matters the most to the customer, and it helped the engineering team to prioritize the case according to the customer's expectation. So overall, this CSM and TCM support structure turned a very bitter customer experience to a positive one by adding much more credibility and trust for managing technical matters.